Yo, 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 it's a dynamic dynamite guy. You should know who he is. Yo, 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 it's the Energy Dynamo 9000. Energy Dynamo 9000. Whoa, bro! Yo, 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 it's the Energy Dynamo 9000. Energy Dynamo 9000. Whoa, bro! Boom, 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 boom. Gotta rock and roll and rumble. Yeah. Yo, guys, it's down 9000. And this is the Energy Down 9000 Thanksgiving vlog. Gobble gobble. Anyways, what happened during Thanksgiving? Not too much, just pretty much same old casual stuff. Like Thursday before, after school, I had to head to the dentist office. I ended up with no calories, and afterward, I got to make a stop to a good place to get Skylanders, and the place was huge. I mean, the place where you could get the Skylanders was really huge, and I got the four I needed: Firecracken, Grilladrilla, Night Shift, and Boomjet. I opened two for Thanksgiving and decided to save two for Christmas to go with the Wave 3 figures, which included Stink Bomb, Spy Rise, Dune Bug, Rubble Rouser, Sheeprook Adventure Pack, and Archean Crossbow Battle Pack. Yeah, so I opened two. I had a lot of fun with Swap 4s, especially with those new guys in there. And I made some other cool videos. And I also got to make a stop to visit to Helen, Georgia, like later in the week, later during the break. And got to have some fun. I mean, we did a little mini golfing, horse riding on like a carriage thing or something. Anyways, and also we got to what else? Let's see, what else did we do? We also toured around the mountain at Anna Falls, I think, which was a lot of fun. And apologies if there are like less videos around than usual, because one time, like one of the days in there, I had like it was a big hangout, and with a few friends around, and we hung out. One of them must have like tampered with my channel or something while I was uploading a video. Not only did the video not get uploaded, but all the other videos pretty much crashed. So that's the bad news. To go after the good news. Bummer. But I don't know who that friend is, and he's not from school or anything. So viewers from school, you don't know him. But I can assure this: once I find out who it is, I'm gonna smash the stuffing out of that Thanksgiving turkey. Anyways, what else is there? Yeah, and I got to enjoy some good turkey during Thanksgiving Day, which was pretty awesome. I also got to watch a lot of awesome movies this Thanksgiving. The second Hunger Games movie, Catching Fire. I won't reveal any spoilers, but it was awesome. And I also got to watch Thor 2, The Dark World, which I think was pretty much my favorite. And I also got to watch a funny one called Freebirds, which like involved time traveling, turkeys off the menu, and some other pretty hilarious stuff. Those movies were hilarious. If I had to order them from 1 to 10, I'd probably say Thor 2, then Hunger Games, and Freebirds. I kind of tied it for second. I mean, Freebirds for hilariousness, and Hunger Games for epicness. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's what happened this Thanksgiving. Like the way I do vlogs. It's awesome, and it's a new thing. Anyways, hope you liked this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. In the meantime, gotta rock and roll and rumble! And check out Jam 9000 for some more Energy Dynamo awesomeness.